he's waiting. Oh, look at this guy go. Oh, num, 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 num. I know, I'm trying to take it easy. I can't believe how much he poops. No, I can't. Okay, you can have all you want. I've got 20 set up here for you. Yeah. Okay. Want more? It's up to you, hon. Because you had 20 at lunchtime. Oh, okay. Well, that tastes different because this one I mixed with sweet potato. So I'm trying to give him a, a bit of a change. Sweet potato baby food, which the vet said is totally healthy and fine. It gives extra vitamins. It's also good for diarrhea because it's like pumpkin, Okay. Well, don't quote me on that, but you can quote me on the vet said sweet potato was good. Yeah, I know. Oh, okay, that's 20 now. That's enough or you're gonna explode. Okay. You're gonna explode. Yes, you will. We don't want that. No, we don't. Who's that? Val, who's that? Who's that? Who's that, Val? Who's that? Oh, can I touch you? Oh, you just think I should feed you. Who's that, Val? Who's that? Val, where's Jesus? Where is he? Ooh, where's Jesus? Yeah. Who's that? Who's that handsome man? Who's that handsome man? Oh, who's that? Now the vet told me you weigh once a week. Otherwise, well, once every 5 days anyway. Oh, is that so, Johnny? Johnny's jealous. Did you know Johnny was jealous? Did ya? Oh, look at that face. Look at that face. Yes, look at that face. Hi, Val. Hi, Val. Okay, we'll put you back. You're eating good. Today he ate 50 cc's. 20 now, 20 at lunchtime, and 10 for breakfast. Wasn't as hungry then. No, you weren't. No, you weren't. No. Look at the other side. Oh, look at that Val. Look at that Val. Look at that Valentine. Look at that Valentine boy. Yes. Okay. And if I don't come right away, when I say to him, num, 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 he screams for me. He goes, don't ya? Yes, you do. Okay.